Wanted to let you know, I was talking with so many of you about the 100K content sales system, and I wanted to let you know that you can get your content reviewed as soon as this week. So a lot of people were thinking that they had to wait until May 19th when the actual workshop happens, because I'm doing that at 8 p.m. on Eastern. And so a lot of people were like, oh yeah, I'll just join the workshop next week. But that's already towards the end of May. And I want you guys to get content reviews way sooner. I want you to actually know what's working and what's not converting with your content. And if you sign up for the workshop right now, you get access to a private Facebook group where I'm going to be posting 2 more weeks of resources. First and foremost, the one that I'm posting this week, it's all about creating relevancy and urgency in your content to make it actually convert. And there is a worksheet that goes along with the podcast that I'm releasing this week that is going to be so insanely helpful for you. I'm actually including it as a module in both marketing systems, my low ticket year-long offer, and scaling systems, which is my high ticket mastermind. And I'm going to be having both of those things in my Facebook group for you completely free. So when you join the 100K content sales system, not only do you get the live workshop on, hey Nancy, not only do you get the live workshop on May 19th at 8 p.m. and of course any replays, if you want to watch that later, you're more than welcome to, but you also get a piece of copy reviewed, a psychology driven content calendar. You learn my 3-step sales system for creating content that converts. And you're also going to get 15 hooks that are proven to bring people who are just passive followers to active clients. And I want this for each and every one of you. I was actually on a walk today and I was thinking about it, how amazing this would have been if there are one of 3 things. If you have not made 6 figures with your business yet, this is going to be invaluable. If you haven't had a consult within this past month, this is going to be huge for you. And if you are ready to use this summer to actually scale and make simple systems so you can have more work-life balance, you want to come to this workshop. It is truly one of the best things that I've created. So much so that I had my team make a completely separate portal for it. So when you join, not only are you going to get access to the Facebook group, but you're going to have a portal with resources and, that is a separate login that you're going to be able to access, not just when you do the workshop, but you're going to be able to have access to that for life. So this is something that I just know is going to be so helpful for each and every one of you. If you have any questions about what's going to be going on at that workshop, please let me know and I can answer all the questions. But I wanted to make this extremely affordable because I want every single solopreneur to be able to have access to this. It's so simple, but it's also so effective. You are going to literally walk away from this workshop knowing what to do every single day to make your business grow. And I think that in and of itself, just to know that you're not throwing spaghetti at a wall, you're doing things that are strategically proven to grow businesses, is going to be amazing. And I was just thinking about how much I want the kind of time freedom and financial freedom for each and every one of you. And what I was thinking about on my walk was when a couple of weeks ago I was talking with Rob, and it's going to be his birthday this year. And one of the things that we do in the Wing family is do trips for gifts. We're a lot about creating an experience, a shared memory. For my birthday, I got playoff tickets for the Stanley Cup. Because we love the Carolina Hurricanes. My dad's Canadian. We love this. And for you guys, for the Wing family, we love to do like big trips. And Rob is coming up on year 30, his 30th trip around the sun. Yes, I did Rob the Cradle. Because his name is Rob. And within this, I was talking with him and I realized that because he's going on such a big birthday trip this year, I was talking with Rob and he's always wanted to go to Japan. And I was like, hey, Rob, what if we go to Japan for your birthday this year? And we literally decided that last Sunday and booked the flights yesterday. And I am just so excited that we're able to do that. We're going to go for 10 full days. I have an amazing team that can support me while we're in Japan, which is so exciting. And I want that time and financial freedom for all of you. I want you to be able to look at your loved ones and be like, hey, let's go to Japan. Let's make the most of this summer. And I know that I've got the system set up so that my business is still scaling, still growing, even when I'm away. So that is my plug for you. I would love to see you at the 100K Content Sales System. It is $15. So again, I want to make it super affordable. So feel free. I'm going to include the link in my bio. There's going to be a link in the show, in the live notes. But I just know how critical this summer is, especially if you, again, have not made six figures. If you are looking to create more time and financial freedom this summer, and if you haven't gotten a consult in the past month, come to this webinar. It's going to be insanely helpful for you. And within the webinar, it's not just a webinar. I'm making it a whole workshop because I want to take a look at your content. And if you sign up today, you're going to get access to a private Facebook group where you're going to be able to submit a piece of content like literally on Tuesday, May 6th. And instead of having to wait until April 19th, which is what a lot of people have been waiting for, you can get your content edited by me this week. You can get access to all the resources that I've been pumping in there for the past I think it's been at least 20 weeks that we've had this Facebook group up and running. So you're going to get access to 20 weeks worth of content. This week's podcast has an amazing workshop about creating relevancy and urgency with your posts. So you're going to get that for free, all included when you join the $15 workshop. So everything, the Facebook group, getting a piece of copy that's edited by me, the resources that are included every week, plus the workshop and the resources that go along with that, the content, the psychology-driven content calendar, the 3-step sales system, and creating your 15 hooks so that you can create content that takes passive watchers to active clients is all going to be included within this $15 workshop. So make sure you don't miss out. I'm going to include the link in the notes, and there's a link in my bio to join. And I hope to see you all